H&T Presspart are part of the H&T group. We manufacture deep drawn metal pressings for the pharmaceutical and industrial businesses. So we manufacture aerosol cans made of aluminium or stainless steel. We also manufacture other industrial components, pen parts, water pump parts, rivet bodies. As a company, we produce around about 400 million components per year, which equates to roughly 1.5 million per day. As a high volume manufacturer, quality is incredibly important. If anything goes wrong, then it's going wrong with a lot of components. Our customers expect components to be dimensionally correct. They have very tight specifications. We work in the market to introduce optical measurement on our aerosol cans. After reviewing the Vici technical information, we took the decision to go ahead with Vici due to the technical capabilities, but also due to our experience of good after-sales support from OGP. So we have 4 Vici machines, 3 machines in our pharmaceutical factory and 1 in our industrial factory. All our machines are located within the production environment and serve the day-to-day operation. So since we transitioned from attribute gauging, we've seen lots of benefits from optical measurement. Before we introduced the optical measurement systems, we used to collect parts, transfer them to our metrology lab and measure them offline. That has the negative that we're really not getting live data from the process. So the Vicis allow us to collect, measure, feed back to the operation within a really short time period. Run within control limits, that they also allow us to predict process failures through the trending that we do. This in turn improves our OEE, and from that point of view we have improved efficiency from our machines, less downtime and reduced scrap as well. We don't have any issues relating to vibration, oil, dust. Vicis have been really reliable and the accuracy is maintained during production. It's a permanent change and we only see that it's going to be extended through the business into the other divisions, onto other products. For me personally, there are so many benefits to it from a point of view of the accuracy, the data collection, the process understanding, the process control. There's no way we'd ever go back to attribute gauging from optical measurement. The after-sales support for the Vicis has been excellent. If we have any technical queries or we need any support, then the technical guys are always very quick to respond and provide the support we need. Overall, the machines are actually very easy to program. We've been trained to a very good level, and which has allowed us to be pretty much self-sufficient. The capability of our process has improved and the quality of the product is improved. The move from attribute gauging to optical measurement has been a complete success.